Welcome to World News by Halandzovskyi. If you value calm, clear, and fact-based coverage of economic developments affecting millions, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share your perspective. Today we bring a live update on the latest US jobs report, a key economic indicator that influences financial markets, policymaking, and global economic confidence. The newest jobs report reveals that the US economy added a substantial number of new jobs last month, a figure that exceeded expectations, underscoring ongoing strength in the labor market. Unemployment remained low even as participation rates ticked slightly higher, suggesting that more Americans are re-entering the workforce. Sector-by-sector breakdowns show gains in areas such as professional services, healthcare, and construction, sectors that have historically been engines of job growth. Wages also continued to rise, though at a more moderate pace than in previous months. This combination of steady job creation and wage growth reflects underlying resilience in the economy, even as inflation concerns persist. Economists measuring the data noted that while headline job numbers are strong, other indicators require careful interpretation. For example, the pace of new hires varies regionally and across demographic groups. Some industries, particularly retail and leisure, experienced slower growth, hinting at shifting patterns in consumer behavior or labor demand. Policymakers, including those at the Federal Reserve, watch jobs data closely because it influences decisions on interest rates, inflation targets, and monetary policy. Moderate wage growth paired with strong job creation may ease pressure on inflation while preserving consumer confidence, a favorable scenario for central bankers attempting to balance price stability with economic growth. Market reaction to the report was swift. Stock markets initially rallied on the strength of the numbers, while bond yields showed volatility as investors recalibrated expectations around future interest rate paths. Analysts noted that markets interpreted the data as signaling durability in economic fundamentals, but also as a reminder that uncertainty remains. The implications of this jobs report extend beyond US borders. As the largest economy in the world, American economic performance influences global trade, investment flows, and currency stability. Strong employment figures are often interpreted as a sign of broad economic health, encouraging confidence among international investors and trading partners. For the domestic workforce, stable job growth and rising wages create opportunities for career advancement and increased household spending. However, disparities persist. Wage gains have not been uniform across all income groups, and certain regions with slower job growth continue to struggle with access to well-paying employment opportunities. From a policy perspective, the report strengthens the argument for cautious optimism among economic leaders. Central planners must weigh the benefits of continued growth against the risk of overheating or persistent inflation. As inflation rates hover near long-term targets, labor market strength may give policymakers the flexibility to adjust interest rates gradually while monitoring credit conditions and consumer spending. On the global stage, strong US labor data can affect international currency markets and capital movements. Emerging market economies often pivot their own monetary policies in response to US trends, while trading partners monitor American demand for imports, a major driver of global production chains. The jobs report also intersects with broader debates on automation, workforce retraining, and long-term labor force participation. As industries evolve with technology and demographic changes, the composition of employment may shift, making skills development and education key strategic priorities for future economic stability. Ultimately, while no single report tells the full story of an economy, this latest snapshot suggests continued resilience in American employment, even as external pressures and future uncertainties remain on the horizon. Thank you for watching this live update on World News by Halandzovskyi. If you found this analysis helpful, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share your thoughts. Independent reporting helps us make sense of fast-moving economic developments that affect us all. Stay informed, and we will bring you further updates as they emerge.